If you want to make your life convenient in this country, you're gonna need a convenient way of transport. That could be a bike or an electric scooter if it's legal in your place. I don't recommend a car yet if you're just going for less than 10-kilometer journey, otherwise you just waste money and gas, insurance, and tax. In this video, I'm going to review the Fiido D4s electric folding bike. The content of this video includes the speed, how to fold the bike, the motor power, and many things else. In my first impression of the bike, I would say that this is designed for commuting. It is very efficient and easy to use. It is also lighter compared to other electric bikes. However, this bike is also heavier compared to regular bikes. It is 18 kilograms. And with no further talking, I'm going to start the review. I've been using this bike for more than a year now, and this bike has given me lots of convenience. I can go wherever I want within 10-kilometer radius, except from very rocky roads or hills as well. And one more advantage of using the bike is there is no fuel. You just have to charge it every day. The charging time of the bike is about 7 hours from 0 to 100%. And it has a full map mode, which is very convenient for people who are very lazy to pedal. The bike does not have a very fancy group set. It's just a simple Shimano turning with 7-speed gears and a single crank. These were the folding joints of the bike when folding. The bike is easy to fold, but there is just one flaw. The bike is still very wide even after folding, and it looks like that. The height is adjustable along with the steering wheel and the seat post. The bike has a 20 inches wheel, so the bike is designed in a low gear mode, which is very helpful for the motors in daily commuting. I also have attempted to test the motor power in a steep road, but due to a lack of equipment, I only use a glass of water to determine the angle of the incline. Please note that the rider is less than 70 kilograms and the bike performed very well. It runs 11 kilometers up to 25 kilometers per hour, which is not bad